This hearing will come to order. Welcome to the Senate Judiciary Subcommittee on Privacy, Technology, and the Law. The subject of this hearing is my bill, the Surveillance Transparency Act of 2013. I'm proud to say that 2 weeks ago I reintroduced this bill with the support of my friend and colleague, Senator Dean Heller of Nevada, who we'll be hearing from in just a moment. This bill is urgently necessary. Americans understand that we need to give due weight to privacy on the one hand and national security on the other. But Americans are also naturally suspicious of executive power, and when the government does things secretly, Americans tend to think that that power is being abused. This is exactly the place where congressional oversight is useful and necessary. For months now, there has been a steady stream of news stories about the NSA surveillance programs, and yet right now, by law, Americans cannot get really the most basic information about what's going on with these programs. Consider this. It's been months since the PRISM program and the telephone call records program were revealed to the public, and yet, to this day, Americans don't know the actual number of people whose information has been collected under those programs. They don't know how many of those people are American. And they have no way of knowing how many of these Americans have had their information actually seen by government officials as opposed to just being held in a database. The administration has taken good steps in good faith to address this problem, but I'm afraid that these steps are too little and that they are not permanent. And so Americans still have no way of knowing whether the government is striking the right balance between privacy and security or whether their privacy is being violated. I believe there needs to be more transparency. I've written a bipartisan bill to address this. It will require that the NSA disclose to the public how many people are having their data collected under each key foreign intelligence authority. It would make the NSA estimate how many of those people are American citizens or green card holders, and how many of those Americans have had their information actually looked at by government agents. My bill would also lift the gag orders on internet and phone